Turn on the tap by pressing the wick twice, accesses the default temperature number 2. To change this temperature, simply select the desired temperature and hold down the wick until it flashes white. At this point, release the wick and 2 green flashes will indicate that the temperature has been successfully saved. Here we see how it works. Turning on the tap with 3 presses accesses the default temperature number 3. As before, to change this temperature, the process will be the same. First select the desired temperature and then hold down the wick until it flashes white to save this temperature. Finally, release the wick and 2 green flashes will confirm that the temperature has been successfully saved. Here, we see how it works again. To save the temperature number 4, turn on the tap by pressing the wick 4 times and repeat the same process.